the Nikon D850. This powerhouse of a camera has been hailed by many as the best DSLR ever made, and it's not hard to see why. With its high-resolution capabilities, exceptional burst shooting speed, uncropped 4K video, and an 8K time-lapse feature, the Nikon D850 is a versatile tool that caters to various photography styles and needs. When discussing DSLR cameras, the conversation often revolves around the trade-off between resolution and speed. However, with the Nikon D850, photographers no longer need to choose one over the other. This camera boasts a remarkable 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor and can shoot at an impressive rate of up to 9 frames per second under specific conditions. In addition to its stunning resolution and speed, the Nikon D850 comes equipped with a reliable phase detection autofocus system in stills mode, uncropped 4K video, and an 8K time-lapse video capability. Its robust build, complete with weather sealing, ensures that it can withstand the rigors of outdoor photography. While it may not be as indestructible as some professional cameras like the Nikon D6, the D850's metal construction provides solid durability, and its dust and moisture sealing protect it against the element. The D850's 45.7 megapixel back-illuminated sensor lacks a cutoff filter, resulting in extra sharpness in images. This feature, though potentially risky due to the possibility of moiré artifacts, is rarely an issue in wildlife or sports photography. The high-resolution capability allows for stunningly detailed images that can be enlarged significantly without losing clarity. Furthermore, the substantial resolution provides flexibility for cropping images without compromising quality. Despite a few conditions, the D850's 9 FPS speed is more than adequate for capturing crucial moments. Its high resolution also enables the camera to record full-width, uncropped 4K videos, maintaining the original focal length and depth of field of your lenses. The 8K time-lapse feature, while requiring a bit of post-processing work, adds another dimension to the camera's capabilities. Lastly, the D850's battery life deserves mention. Users have reported capturing nearly 2,000 shots on a single charge, enabling prolonged shooting sessions without the worry of depleting the battery. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got